Hi children, good morning. Welcome, welcome to today's social class. Children, we are discussing about fifth chapter of geography. What are the major domains of the earth? In our last class, I explained about continents, and there are seven major continents, and these are separated by the large water bodies. Okay, then Asia is the largest uh, continent, and the smallest Australia. Okay, so we detail all these things. See, today I am going to explain about hydrosphere. Okay, one of the domains of the earth, that is hydrosphere. Okay, so today I am going to explain about hydrosphere and about the atmosphere also. I am going to explain. Okay, so listen carefully and read this chapter many times and underline important points. Okay, watch this video carefully. Okay, and read this chapter many times and underline important points. Okay, then do your given works. Okay, children, so let us start our class. Hydrosphere. The hydrosphere is the combined mass of water. It includes all the water bodies found on the earth, such as oceans, rivers, lake, glaciers, underground water, and water vapor in the air. About 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Approximately 97% of total water is found in the oceans, but it is too salty for human use. A large portion of the rest of water is in the form of ice sheets and glaciers or is under the ground. A very small percentage is available as fresh water for human use. The Earth is called the blue planet because more than 71% of the Earth is covered with water and 29% is with land. Oceans. Oceans are the major part of hydrosphere. They are all interconnected. The ocean waters are always moving. The three chief movements of ocean waters are the waves, the tides, and the ocean currents. The five major oceans are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean in order of their size. The Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. It is spread over one third of the earth. Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the earth, lies in the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is almost circular in shape. Asia, Australia, North and South America surrounded it. Look at the map and find out the location of the continent around the Pacific Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. It is S-shaped. It is flanked by the North and South Americas on the western side and Europe and Africa on the eastern side. The coastline of Atlantic Ocean is highly indented. This irregular and indented or coastline provides ideal location for natural harbors and ports. The Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the only ocean named after a country, that is India. The shape of ocean is almost triangular. In the north, it is bound by Asia, in the west by Africa, and in the east by Australia. The Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean encircles the continents of Antarctica and extends northward to 60 degrees south latitudes. The Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is located within the Arctic Circle and surrounds the North Pole. It is connected with the Pacific Ocean by a narrow stretch of shallow water known as Bering Strait. It is bound by the northern coast of North America and Eurasia. Children, the Arctic Ocean lies around the North Pole and extends in the south up to the Arctic Circle. Therefore, most parts of this ocean remain covered with thick ice sheet throughout the year. Thick drifting icebergs are a common feature of the Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is bordered by the three continents: the North America, Europe, and Asia. It merges with the Atlantic Ocean between Greenland and Scandinavia and is linked to the Pacific Ocean through the narrow Bering Strait. Children, now we can look about importance of oceans. The oceans are very important for the human life. First of all, water of the ocean evaporates in the form of clouds and thus provide rainfall. We get common salt from the oceans. We get many minerals like petroleum from them. Oceans provide us with fish and other marine life. Ships and boats travel from one continent to other through oceans, carrying passengers and trade goods. Thus, they provide a free and permanent highway. Oceans keeps the climate of the coastal areas and moderate. Electricity is generated from the enormous energy possessed by the tidal waves. So, like this way, these oceans are helping humans' life. Children, these points are not in your textbook. So, please notice these points and write down these points in your notebook also. Children, let us wind up today's class. Now, you have to watch this video minimum 3 times and you have to read many times today's portion and underline important points. Then only you can do your works. Okay, children. So, thank you. Thank you to listening my class.